Hello and welcome back to our channel Trendset Power of a Common Man. This is Sai, and today I came with some important topic in front of you. How many of you are facing this issue? I think most of you are facing this issue. What is that issue? The water which is going into the Himalayan tank. There is no proper solution till date. But today I came with that solution. Yes, guys, I finally did it. I think you may like or you may not like, but I like that solution. What is that and how I did it? Friends, so many times in the heavy rains, the water which is entered into my Himalayan tank, and I faced some issues. Every time I should go to the service center and I have to remove the tank and I want to clean the tank, and moreover, the fuel which is in the fuel tank will be lost, completely lost. So there should be an ultimate remedy for this to avoid. I did so much of research, I did so many experiments, but I completely failed. But today I was succeeded, and I want to show what I did and what is the remedy that is very least cost. As I said earlier, also in earlier videos, also my concept is that I want to create something which is less price and the result is should be ultimate. So in the same way, my project is very in the least cost, and I will explain in the later video with the vehicle and today. So guys, I request you to watch the video till the end so that you may learn some important points that may benefit you or not, but you definitely you like the video. I hope you like the video. So let's go directly to the vehicle and I will show what I installed on that. So let's go. Yeah, friends, it's a time to reveal the product which I have designed to stop the water getting into the tank, fuel tank of Himalayan. So I am revealing that. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, this is the product I have designed after so much of research. I think these products may available in the market. I don't know, but I found this by myself. This is the self remedy for me to stopping the water which is going into the tank in this, particularly in this rainy season. It creating a huge loss to me if water is going inside the tank. So coming to the point, this is the thing which I have invented and placed in on my Himalayan. You cannot, I think as of now, you cannot found in these products in the market. Uh, so coming to the point, and for fueling the tank, I will just open this zip and I will open like this, and this is the fuel lid, and for fueling purpose, I just open this lid and I will fuel, and I will just keep this, and I will close this. That's it. And one more thing, that is completely waterproof cap, so that the main purpose of designing this is that to stop the water which is going inside the tank. So how it will stop, I will explain. So you may see there is a hole here, and this is the way where the water is going inside the Himalayan tank, that is creating huge damage to so many of people. I think in 100, 100 vehicles, 90 vehicles is facing this problem only. In that 10 vehicles also, they are not traveling in the rain, so that they are not facing that problem. So how water is entering into the tank, everyone knows, I think, but those who don't know, I will explain. You see, there is a hole here and there are holes here. So this is the main chance of going water inside the tank. And you may think that the Royal Enfield person did not take any remedies to overcome this. Yes, he did. He gave an outlet here. I will show. Just open this lid. You see, there is a outlet there to for excess water which is going into the tank. It will go. This is the drain hole, and it designed in a way that the water will go outside, so that the water will not get into the tank. But if there is a huge rainfall, heavy rainfall is happening, then what will happen, more water will get inside. So uh, what will happen, the water will go here, but it's a very small diameter hole, but it cannot let the water much water going outside. but the heavy, due to the heavy rain, this area will be filled lot of water. And one more thing, there is a chance of blockage of this. I saw so many vehicles that this hole is blocking completely and no water is going inside. At that time, what will happen? All the water will going into the tank only. So that creates a huge loss. So how we can avoid that? How we can avoid the water, stopping water going into the tank? I struggled a lot. I did so much of research. I tried so many remedies, but I failed. But finally, I have designed this product that is helping me a lot. That it is stopping almost 80% of rainwater. Um, and one more thing, uh, and one more thing, if it stops 80%, you may think that remaining 20% which is going inside, uh, that hole can handle that water. Most probably, till now, I am saying 80% for my safety, for your demonstration, but not a single drop is going inside as of now. Um, because it is a completely waterproof, so that there is no chance of going water inside. That's my conclusion. So coming to the point, how to install this? I designed this with a reverse zip process, so that there is no chance of going water through zip also. So how I install this product is this and this. That's it. Triangle. You remember this triangle? You should remove these three bolts only, and this one are the dummy bolts to give the look. He designed like this, but you should remove only three bolts to remove this black color part. This base is circular motion, so I kept these three bolts here, and I just kept the lid, and I packed this, and after that I closed this. That's it. You can easily place this, but for removing this you need this Allen bolt, 4 number Allen key. It will helps to remove this Allen keys. And friends, if you want this product, uh, we have designed some of the products like this. I can deliver to your address. If you want this, you may comment in my video, so that I will contact you. uh, after after this, I just close this like this, and it may look somewhat different, but it's so much of helpful product. And I can get it for 200 rupees, around 200 rupees. So I will give you exact rate if you comment me. That's it for the day, friends. I'm ending this video here only. If you want this product, you may comment in my comment section, so that I will revert you back. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel, so that I will make some interesting videos like this. I need your support. Thank you. Trendset Power, this is Sai signing off.